Hola, and welcome back to Kim at Home. So I have some brownies in the oven. Right now it says that there's about 15 minutes left on those. So I'm gonna see what I can get done. My cabinets need wiped off desperately. There are some things that I need to do in this kitchen today. I need to wipe down my cabinets and sweep and mop my floor. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm Kim, 𝐄𝐍𝐉𝐻. This is my home that you're in right now, and I love making videos pertaining to home life. So it's basically home management, which can consist of cooking, cleaning, DIY projects, repairs, that sort of thing. I also like to be very encouraging in my videos. I'm gonna be your biggest cheerleader if you don't have one, girl. And throughout my videos, I like to give you all kinds of different cleaning and life tips. Please don't forget to hit subscribe on your way out, show that like button some love, and leave a comment down below.
Even good things leave a bitter taste. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste. Something unexpected happens, you can't let it go. Caught up in your own distractions, you already know that you're gonna think about this for a while. Why you try not to lose your mind, not to believe that.
I'll be cleaning off my cabinets with the yellow Mr. Clean disinfectant. You'll have to let me know below in the comments if you use this. Let me tell you something, it smells so good. Me personally, I feel like it smells better than Fabuloso. It just smells clean.
Even good things leave a bitter taste. Try to calm down, thoughts spinning faster.
When I opened up this microwave, I was just so proud of my family. It really wasn't dirty at all, but obviously it still needs wiped down. I do really strongly suggest that my family use something to cover up their food when they heat it up. And when they don't, trust me when I tell you, I let them know. Cover or no cover, leave a comment down below. Having a cover over your food definitely reduces all the spillage and splashish. Yes, I just made that word up and it kind of sounded good. Anyway, it diminishes that, all over your microwave.
Outcome, but I've been doing this for so long. My brain keeps signaling danger. Although I know that I'll be just fine. Worry won't change the outcome, but I've been doing this for so long. My brain keeps signaling danger. Although I know that I'll be just fine.
How are you doing? What have you been up to since the last time we spoke? I watched a show on Prime called Good Girls Revolt, and it was pretty good. I believe it was from 2015 maybe, or 2019. I cannot remember. However, it was really good, so check it out.
Oh, I never knew love would come and find me one day. Oh, I never knew that you would be the one headed my way, yeah.
My time is up, but you know what? I got a lot of stuff done, so I'm thankful. Normally my husband is somewhere around to help me with these cabinets right here, but he is not here right now, so your girl's just kind of thugging it out. You know what I mean? Just doing it herself because I can be independent, independent. Don't you know about me? Yes, that was extra, but Kim can be extra sometimes, okay? I'm just saying. If you do not have a sense of humor, this is not the channel for you. Otherwise, welcome. I appreciate you being here.
Oh, to find a way to get close to you. It's so hard to say all the things I want to. I'm waiting to let you know how much I want you. When I think about you, I feel la 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 la. When I think about you, I want la 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 la. When I think about you, I feel la 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 la. When I think about you, I want la 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 la. All that time. Oh, you get what I'm trying to say, 'cause to you I'm an open book.
Every time I clean my stove off, I think of the lady that I saw in the store who worked at the store who told me I shouldn't have a stove like this. And I was thinking to myself, homegirl, if you want to buy me a new stove, I will give you the measurements, okay? At any rate, the top does lift up, but I just didn't lift it up. The other thing that I try to do is make sure I clean these eyes off because they can get really crusty. The only thing that I use to clean it off is sometimes I'll use vinegar, but in this instance, I just use the Method dish soap. I know a lot of you like Barkeeper's Friend, but I am not a fan at all whatsoever. It leaves streaks and residue, and I'm just not about that life. When you're a professional cleaner, streaks and residue means it's not clean. Also, there's a lot of bad chemicals in Barkeeper's Friend.
When I think about you, I want la 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 la. Yeah, yeah. When I think about you, I feel la 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 la. Oh, when I think about you, I want la 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 all the time. When I think about you, I feel la 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 la. When I think about you, I want la 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 la. Yeah. When I think about you, when I think about you, I feel la la la. When I think about you, I want la la.
The Method General Cleaner is just like an all-purpose cleaner. That's what I'm using right now. It has a tendency to make things shine. I mean, obviously it takes a little bit of muscle as well, but I really do like the Method cleaner.
You look so good in my sweater. Winter's my favorite weather, 'cause it brings you close, and I need you close. Yeah, wish we could stay here forever. Each day you keep getting better. Gotta love you close, and I need you close. I need you close. Yeah. Na 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 na. Every day, look away. Na 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 na. Every day, look away. We could be good friends. We could be good friends. We could be good friends. We could be good friends, yeah. We could be good friends. 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 We could be good friends, yeah. We could be good friends. We could be good friends, yeah. Each time you leave me, it's harder. Feels like I'm stuck underwater. Can't hold my breath. Yeah. Don't know what's there. No. Na 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 na. Every day, look away. Na 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 na. Every day, look away. We could be good friends. We could be good friends. We could be good friends. We could be good friends, yeah. We could be good friends. 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 We could be good friends, yeah. We could be good friends. We could be good friends, yeah. Na 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 na. Every day, look away. Na 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 na. Every day, look away.
I totally did not want to interrupt that song. That is my favorite song by 𝐓𝐇𝐈𝐒. Look him up on YouTube. You guys, he has amazing music. I wanted to come on here and say this. I do spray my floors with vinegar prior to mopping them. I let the vinegar sit for a while. That way it can disinfect anything. Then I respray again and mop. This is no different than wiping off your cabinets. The only thing is the cloth for your mop needs to be dipped in hot water first. No matter what anyone says, it is okay to mop your floors this way. Do what you need to do in your home that makes you comfortable, and then everybody else can worry about their own homes. And don't feel guilty about it. Be unapologetically you. Oh, that was a tongue twister. Secondly, since we're talking about comments on a video that I had in the past, I was just talking to two of my friends, O and Tiffany. Shout out to my girl. I put the O in mom, all things Tiffany Nicole, or Tiffany Nicole Inspires. We were talking about people being kind, and sometimes kindness can be you just not saying anything at all. Keeping your little comments to yourself, especially if it's unsolicited, but you just don't know what people are going through in their lives. You could be that one comment away from that person doing something. You know what I'm saying? So kindness goes a long way. It does not take any energy to be kind at all whatsoever. And if you have children, think about you setting an example for them. For me, I wake up every day thinking, how can I be better today than I was yesterday? How can I have a better attitude? How can I have a better outlook on life? How can I be a better mom? How can I be a better wife, a better friend? That sort of thing. But it also starts with healing. You have to heal whatever you have gone through in life, whether it be something from your childhood, adulthood, teenagehood, whatever the case may be. You need to heal from that. Do you need a hug? That is some of the things that I want to say to people who are rude. Like, do you need a hug? Let's sit down and talk for a minute. What happened to you in your childhood that makes you so mean to people? That is something that I will never, ever understand. People will always, always, always remember how somebody made them feel. They may forget what you said to them, but they'll remember how they felt when they were in your presence. How do people feel when they're with you?
So then you and you, but so you and I'm not surprised by what I found, 'cause I know I needed something different, and it had to be you. Out the blue, somebody who would listen, and it had to be you. Out of all the people to revive my love, couldn't be just anyone. But baby, it had to be you. Let me feel your love again, 'cause I've been running round in circles screaming out your name. Take me to a different place, just the two of us, and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. 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 All that time away from you, I didn't think I'd make it without you by my side. Let me feel your love again, just the two of us, and we could stay up all night, kissing under streetlights.
Be sure to clean the walls around your toilet. It is very imperative. Let me tell you something. When you go to the restroom, man or woman, it will splash. If you were to take an ultraviolet light and aim it toward your toilet in the back area right after you clean your bathroom, you would be like, oh my gosh, I missed a lot. Yes, be sure to clean the walls and everything. I just wanted to show you how beautiful the soap dish is and how shiny the faucet is. It's my favorite part of the day. That's when I get to eat. So right now I'm making some brown sugar pepper steak. This took about 35 minutes in total for cooking. I am all about a 30-minute meal, especially when I'm at work and I have to come home and cook. I don't want to be in the kitchen all night. I would rather be doing something else, like laying in the bed watching Netflix, Prime, Hulu, whatever. Oh, by the way, do you like my new apron? I put bread in my container of my brown sugar to keep it fresh.
Wanna be with, wanna let me be the someone who can hold your hand. Let me be. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel like that. You make me feel. Wanna be with you, wanna be with you, wanna be with you, be with you. I wanna be with you.
I really wish there was smell-o-vision on these phones because it smells amazing in here. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate you. Please do not forget to hit subscribe if you already have not, and show that like button some love as well. While your meat is cooking or while your veggies are going, make sure you wash the other dishes. That way you won't have a lot to do when you're finished eating. That way you can sit down with your family and enjoy a meal together.
Crashing in the day, blooming in the bright nights. Teenage runaways, watching every sunrise. Sleeping in the car, blame it on the moonlight. Gazing at the stars, turning